Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about one of the unique feature of Windows 11, that is the dictation tool. It's a very good tool for those who are engaged in the intensive writing and especially for the research scholars. So instead of keep on writing, you can dictate your words and your Microsoft Word will write for you. So let's see how it works. So regarding this tool, what you have to do, the shortcut is there, Windows plus H key. And what is the requirement? You must have Windows 11 and as well as the internet connection is a mandatory part of it. So you must have these two things, and you just press Windows plus H key. So now this is here. So let's see how it will work. So hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. This is a quick hack regarding the dictation tool. So I hope it's working fine, so you can use it. So thank you so much for watching my videos.